Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to buy an iPhone on or the Apple device from Klarna, then this video is for you. You can do you can follow two ways that you can use direct Klarna to purchase an iPhone, or you can do is you can find a retailer that will actually accept Klarna as a payment method, included the Apple Pay. So you can do is if you are going to buy it from Klarna website directly, so you have to do is you have to find your phone that you want to buy. It's like this one, I want to buy it now. Simply click on that phone here and choose the color that you want to buy, and choose the variant. There is a variant by ROM here, so I have choose it, and from here you have to do is you have make sure that you are signed into your Klarna account. After that, you have to simply click on that here Amazon, and it will directly redirect you to the Amazon web page that is right now is not available. So sometimes it is out of stock, or sometimes it is not actually authorized, but here is Apple authorized. You can see now it is actually the only in stock, so we can simply click on it, and it's also out of stock, but it's showing that it is in stock. So you have to do is you have to find the available product, and from here let me show you. For example, this one, let's see if it's online or not. Now you have to do is choose the bank account. Here you can see by Pink Bank. Here you can click on it, and here you can see it is now available, and it is a retailer that actually accept Klarna. Then you have to add that on your card and choose the installment period and the amount, and you have to be careful and keep it on your mind about all the terms and condition about the installment or using Klarna as a payment method. So you have to do is here is for interest-free payments of this with Klarna. So you can try the flexible payment also from here by simply click on it, and here you can see pay full, or you can pay in 4 installments. So first you have to pay that, and in 2 weeks you have to pay that, and another 4 weeks, and after 6 weeks, in every 2 weeks you have to pay that. Now how it works: at checkout, select Klarna, then choose your payment plan and complete your checkout, and that's all. That's how you can just simply easily do it. So there is no interest, no APR, so it's pretty cool. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.